In today's video, we're diving into the best apps for learning Chinese on Android. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to improve your skills, if you're ready to embark on your Chinese language journey, let's get started. ChineseSkill, learn Chinese. ChineseSkill. Learn Chinese is a highly rated app designed for beginners who want to master the basics of the Chinese language. The app features a structured curriculum that includes lessons on listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Users can engage in interactive exercises that cover essential vocabulary, grammar rules, and character recognition. The app incorporates games, quizzes, and audio pronunciations by native speakers to reinforce learning while keeping it fun and engaging. With its user-friendly interface, ChineseSkill enables learners to build a solid foundation in Chinese step by step. Learn Chinese SuperChinese. Learn Chinese SuperChinese is an innovative app that focuses on providing a comprehensive learning experience through immersive methods. The app features a wide range of topics, allowing users to learn vocabulary and phrases relevant to everyday situations. It offers engaging lessons that combine audio, text, and visual elements, helping users grasp nuances in pronunciation and usage. Additionally, users can practice their skills with interactive dialogues and quizzes. The app also includes features like spaced repetition for vocabulary retention and progress tracking, making it ideal for learners who want to enhance their Chinese proficiency efficiently. Tobo Learn Chinese Vocabulary. Tobo Learn Chinese Vocabulary is a versatile app that specializes in vocabulary building through interactive methods. The app features thousands of vocabulary words, organized by categories, making it easy for users to focus on specific topics. Tobo employs various engaging exercises, such as matching games and multiple-choice questions, to facilitate learning and retention. Users can listen to audio pronunciations from native speakers, ensuring they pronounce words correctly. The gamified approach keeps the learning process fun and motivating, making this app an excellent choice for those looking to expand their Chinese vocabulary in an enjoyable way. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of ChineseSkill, Learn Chinese SuperChinese, and Tobo helps you find the perfect app to enhance your Chinese learning experience. Until next time, happy learning!